It's going to be great.
I just dropped the kids off at school. I think it's time to kayak. I got a doctor's appointment at 3 p.m. It's an hour and a half away. It's like 8:15 now. The water's on the way up. If you can't see this island, but you can see this island, it's usually running decent in Gilbert. Contingent upon two things: the water not spiking up before I get there, and Mo's let me borrow his duckie. I'm going to paddle it today, and I got to see if it'll fit in a big dry bag backpack I got. So if it'll fit in that and I can do the self-shuttle, I'm going to make it happen. So all right, here's the duckie, here's the bag. I'm going to see how tight of a roll I can get on this duckie and see if we can get it in that bag. So we'll call this one a kayaking mission. I got a time frame, I got to make sure the water don't bump up, and I got a self-shuttle. Probably going to hike it. I think it'll fit. We'll see. All right, here's my setup. I got Mo's duckie, my life jacket, my hand pump, my paddle, some neoprene stuff like gloves, pokies, and a hat. Got my throw rope, the Earth Pack 85-liter dry bag backpack. We're here at Camp Cliff. There's the bridge. Whoop. There's the car. I'm packed up. I got everything on my back. I'm hiking up about 3 miles. Not really hiking, just walking the railroad tracks. We'll walk up, put on, get back out here. The water's going up, but it's a good level right now. Good, easy level right now. Doing some of those cool YouTube shots where you walk away from the camera. There's the river. You can tell it's up, but not too much. A little ground. Should be fun. Check that out. These little streams are all flowing. Go out the river of no time. All these pumping in. Check out this rock face. This is what's cool. The undercut. Look at this creek. Running, yeah, man. Coming up on this, I'm guessing mine property. I don't know what they're going to think about me being on this side of the road. The main road's on the other side of this berm here, but there's not really a curb or anything for me to walk on, so I'm better off right here, just till we get up here. Taking all these up. Aries Branch Surface Mod. Reflectance Energy. Never heard of her. Keeping the lights on. There's pieces of old too. I'm here. Buck Harness's old house. Rest in peace, brother. Kind of the signature rabbit of this run. It's a class 2. It's probably the only class 2 on the run. The rest probably like 1 plus. I don't know. But this bridge is always a cool feature. Just some cool city. That old drawbridge. I don't think I was supposed to be on it like that, but let's hike on up. I guess I'm halfway there. I got to the put in. I am sweating under this dry suit. I'm gonna cool off a little bit. The water looks great. It's a good level. It looks trashy though. This flood is bringing out all the garbage. The garbage. The garbage. The garbage. I hate the garbage. The garbage. I hate the garbage. It's what's cool when we go to the new river. It's pristine, man. It's so clean. Guyandotte not really taken care of. The coal, we've been on it. It's a little bit taken care of. Tug Fork, same as Guyandotte. It's poverty river. Nobody cares about it. It's not something through a park or anything like that. Thanks for checking it out. This is a good one. I'm having fun. I'm on a time frame. It's like a little after 10 right now, close to 10:30 probably. As long as I'm off the water by noon, I should have no trouble getting to Charleston by 3. So.
Nice. Oh yeah.
I think I could go back a little further with the seat. I think Mo likes it a little too far up. Yeah, look at that water. Cold. This is grabbing me. There you go, mission accomplished. Off the water by noon. Just got back. Guyandotte River. Used Mo's duckie. Hiked 3 miles up. Paddled 3 miles down. The water's up. The snow's melting. Beautiful day in January. The fog on the mountains is awesome. Thanks for checking it out.